list of things that kids really struggle with managing. And, we have a hard time handling put downs. If someone insults them, they called me a name, so therefore they deserve to be called a name back. Academic performance pressures, that it's just so hard, and so therefore it's a crisis for me, so I'm just going to quit. Peers, people who won't play with me, those jerks in the hall keep running into me on purpose. Personal justice. We have kids who come to school where no one's going to treat me like that, and and my parent or my guardian said that I can punch them in the face if they punch me in the face. And those of us that have had recess duty have definitely heard that one once or twice. Fairness. How come I got a detention and she didn't? Another issue that kids really struggle with. And the wants. I really, really want something that I can't have, and I don't know how to deal with that, and that escalates anger. Children struggle sometimes with managing confusion. I can't remember all this stuff, and it's making me crazy. It's making me feel like I can't handle anything. Confinement. Everyone just should get away from me. I hate this place. Choices. I don't have any choices. I don't have any decisions in my life. It doesn't matter. You're going to tell me what to do anyway. And we've all heard that one if we've been parents. Threats, teacher's going to make me do this over, somebody's going to go after me at recess, competition, I never win anything, I don't want to win anything, and maybe I've been taught that I always win, and the first time I lose, I kind of explode. It kind of makes me feel like I can't handle this, and I get really angry. Noise, time constraints. I can't make all these deadlines. We all know that time constraints actually can shut down some of the thought process in the brain. So if you really thought you had the answer to a test question, and then all of a sudden someone says, you got 5 minutes, go, you all of a sudden have lost that answer. And that's really frustrating. I kind of have a theory that if we could just get rid of that statement, like, you have this much time, we might even get, better performance on tests. Who knows? Adult relationships, they don't understand me. Like I said earlier, they just won't listen to me. Feelings like you don't fit in. I want to be like other people. And depending upon how they're taking in social media or how they're perceiving themselves as comparison to others, a really tough place for middle school kids. And this all creates personal crisis and vulnerability.